It is a gray Mercedes. Going to be on US 90 east back towards Castroville. An infant in that vehicle.
Alright, extremely high rate of speed. I'd say at least 100 miles an hour still. Traffic is light to moderate. Almost struck another vehicle passing. Flyway Patrol just got a spike. Oh, went off road. Looks like she's about to wreck. No, she still got it. She's now on the access across the median. Looks like she's taking military drive. Looks like they're going to crash almost. Stand by. Still going. We're going military southbound. 13. We're in oncoming traffic now. Oncoming traffic. And now center median. 13 southbound from 90 proper. I think the troop got her. Okay, it looks like her front left tire might be low. We're through a red ball intersection. She just blew through that. Her arm is sticking out of the door right now, out of the window. We're just passing Palms Road. She's number 3 lane now, number 2 lane. Still high rate of speed coming up to the creek. Hold here, 1050, 1050, 1050 at 2536 and military. She's in the back seat. She's got the baby and we're running. We're running southbound from the accident. Southbound from the accident.
Received vehicle crashed at 2536 at military. Female with a baby is running southbound from the crash.
Okay, we're getting in a white Nissan Xterra, troops in front of it. Hold the air. Doors are open. Troops trying to get her out now. Female driver of this white Nissan Xterra also has a child, and the baby's safe. 107
EMS has been notified.